Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Friends, in that video, I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to remove pigmentation, dark spots, and to get even toned skin and whiten your skin tone naturally, guys, up to 3 shades, and get even toned skin and get rid of the pigmentation, dark spots, black spots, and get fair and spotless glowing skin. So the first thing we will need to prepare this remedy, guys, is half of a banana and place it into a clean mixing bowl. Cut it in pieces so it's gonna be easy to mash it. Then, guys, we'll need to add on it half of the lemon. This remedy, guys, is very promising. It really whitens the skin tone naturally and lighten the kind of dark spots that you're getting of the sun. So if you do have kind of little dark spots or not even toned skin, you actually need to use this remedy and you will notice a great result. So add half of a lemon. Now we need to mash the banana with. I actually use, guys, a grinder like so in order to get it to a very fine paste. So you will mash the banana like so, my friends, and mix it with lemon very well until it doesn't have any kind of chunks in it. Like so. Then, my friends, we need to add the last but not least ingredient, which is actually a half teaspoon of Vaseline, and this will help your skin to absorb all the ingredients without like feeling like, you know, the acid of the lemon. So without, like, you know, getting any kind of burns of the lemon, this will smooth the ingredients and will get you a benefit without causing any side effects. So you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. But it doesn't actually work very well like with the Vaseline. The Vaseline is actually better because the oils in this remedy, some people complain about the oils that it darkens the skin, especially if you're going to expose to the sun after using this. So in this case, don't replace the Vaseline. So, guys, once you mix the ingredients very well and we got a very creamy paste like so, apply it on your skin, apply it all over your face, any place that has dark spots or black spots or pigmentation. Apply it on it and leave the remedy for 45 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water, and don't wash it with soap or any kind of face wash, and just go to sleep. I prefer to use this remedy at night. So place it on your skin and leave it for 45 minutes, then rinse it with warm water and go to sleep. And, guys, by using that remedy 3 times a week, you will notice an amazing results, guys. It even tone your skin.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.